When creating films, it usually takes all kinds of technical equipment to get good results. Here at FeiyuTech, we wanted to simplify all of that, giving you the freedom you deserve. Introducing the AK series, which includes the AK4000 and AK2000, holding 4 kilograms and 2.8 kilograms respectively. Have the freedom to carry a wide range of professional cameras, including professional film cameras. The AK series has a simple interface with built-in LCD touchscreen, which gives you the ability to make adjustments like focus, ISO, white balance, exposure compensation, and more, all seamlessly. With accessories to fit a huge variety of shooting modes, it all comes together to make the filming of your next production simple. Welcome the AK series. Welcome to a new era of cinematography.